And then you go to work. You go to work. Um, I remember the first time I went to work looking after the elderly. By then, I was a nursing student. So I looked for a job in a nursing home. And I'll never forget the first time I saw a set of dentures. They were in a little glass of water right by the bedside. And I was terrified. I had never seen dentures before in my life. And I looked at them and I looked terrified. And the lady I was working with, because we would go in pairs to get people out of bed. And this lady I was working with, she said, calm down, calm down. They are dentures. I said, what are dentures? She explained to me that they were false teeth because they look so real. So they were terrifying. And the way she explained it, I just knew that she had experienced the same terror that I did when she'd first seen them. And then uh, I remember thinking the first time I had to clean someone who was incontinent, the first time I had to do that, I remember thinking to myself, I can't believe this is what I'm doing. I remember thinking, I cannot believe this is my life now. This is my life now. I am now a person who cleans people who are incontinent. And 20, how many years is it now? From 2001. So 25 years later, I still clean people who have been incontinent. I still do bedside nursing in addition to other things. And the way I feel about it now is very different. Now, when I clean someone as a nurse, if I'm working in the ICU and I clean someone who's been incontinent, oddly, I feel a sense of pride because I think to myself, I'm very privileged to be in a position to help someone out in their most vulnerable state. I know that many people may not relate, but I know some nurses will. Um, there's an odd sense of, um, I don't know, I don't even know how to describe it, but I don't mind looking after sick people. And at the back of my mind, I'm always thinking if this was my mother or my brother or my sister or someone I love, I would hope that they would be taken care of as well as I take care of people because I know I do a good job. So when I compare how I felt that very first time and how I feel about it now, very different, very, very different. And any dignity that I ever felt that I had lost in the process of um, leaving home and settling in a new country is well and truly restored, I have to say. I don't feel as though I'm, any less